So everyone, today, another awesome day, because every day is an awesome day down here. Today, we are officially going to be dyno tuning the S14 that you saw in yesterday's video. We just finished up Benny's KA swap and his Kooky, and we got it all set. We kind of street tuned yesterday, and we figured today would be an awesome day to actually dyno tune it and get some real power out of it. So, but on top of that, today's video is a very special video because today's video is being sponsored by Mother's Products. So Mother's Products actually hit me up a couple weeks ago to shine some light on their products, and of course I agreed to it because it's something we use down here at the shop almost every day. So I figured starting today's video off with their products was the best way to do it, and I've needed a really good excuse to wash the Black Z because we all know we all love this car, but I let it sit for too long, and man, does this thing get dirty. I feel bad doing that. Listen to it. Now when it comes down to a good soap wash, what I always use is my Mother's Wash and Wax. You can't beat it. I mean, look at this thing. We've only had this for a few weeks and it's almost gone. We use this so much. So Dylan, how filthy is this thing?
Filthier than me after the Daytona 500. I think it's self. Not too shabby.
Okay, so if you let your wheels sit for a long time or just don't dry them fast enough, they kind of get a little foggy looking. They get a little dirty, not as shiny as they used to be. But probably the most used product of Mother's that we have at the shop here is the Mother's Magnet Aluminum Polish. This stuff is literally the best. I'm gonna show you guys. So we're taking a little dab. We're just gonna wipe her in there. It's nothing. Hey, look at the difference. Can't beat it. Of course, there's always gonna be little areas that you miss. Huge one being door jams. If you don't wash your door jams, reevaluate yourself. We're gonna use the Mother's Instant Detailer. This stuff is nice for the small little areas. I mean, you could even do your whole car if you wanted to, but makes life a lot easier. I mean, look at it. I look like a pro. And then after you're all said and done, if you're filling up to it, you can always use the spray wax, seal it, make it stay clean, make it look nice, and you can't really beat it. So huge shout again to Mother's for always hooking us up. Products always get the job done, making the car look amazing. You can't beat it. So the Z is officially clean. It has needed that wash for so long, and I'm happy I did it. But for now, I actually want to head down to the dyno and check out what they're doing down there because I heard Damien's car's on the roller, and I really want to see that thing in action. We're back at the shop and the guys are actually here. So Jip just got like randomly really motivated because of the car show this weekend, Staggered. I talked about yesterday's video. It's probably like my favorite car show of the year. So, all right, Jip, what's up?
Not getting better fitment. That's what's up.
No, let's go. We can make this work.
We're not, how are we gonna get it?
I'll make it work.
We're not cutting fender. We're not cutting collar. So I don't know.
Whenever we have to.
No,
come on.
No.
Why are you always scared?
I'm not scared. I'd just rather do it right.
I'm so happy.
No. Turn the camera light. Turn the camera light.
No, when you look at it before you lower it.
No.
No, move it.
We're
Take
not
the
lowering
wheel.
it though.
Take the wheel off. I'm gonna lower it. No, it's a beautiful car.
Yeah,
I'm happy that I had a big part in this because I love this car so much. So maybe we can't do it. Yeah. The inner barrel on the wheel, like the inside other lip of here, is just hitting the coil.
It's like Kimbo Slice.
And
I was trying to explain to him, but he wouldn't understand, so I had to do this.
You don't want that big ass spacer.
Not big. I mean, it's only 10 mil. But I need to get bigger front fenders. But it's nice having metal fenders.
That's hitting it.
Hold on,
Right
wait. This is Jamie John.
Jamie John.
It's hitting
There.
that Jamie John.
I think
So-
we could flapper it. Benny's Indian. His mom gave me this snack. It's called son papdi.
I don't know. You're
Come on,
trying to
try
pronounce
it.
I'm not
It's so
trying.
good. Come on.
Dude, I'm gonna get instant diarrhea. Sorry, Benny's mom, but
Come on. Don't be. Come on. Stop being Jip.
dude, I'm actually working on my car. Can you not like? You just like pinch it like
Yeah, pinch
like
it.
tobacco.
Yeah, put it in your lip.
Dude, it's like powder.
It's great.
If I fucking puke on camera. It's not it literally, yeah, you're right. Wow.
It's good, right?
Yeah, but I feel like you're supposed to eat that with something. Like
I don't know, like chocolate.
what am I supposed to pack a lip with it?
Yeah, do it.
We got Benny's coming soon. He'll show us how to eat it.
All right, I know Jip needs this right now.
Yeah.
I bring you gifts.
Thank you. This is perfect. Thank you.
Look who showed up. Belginder. What's up,
Hey.
homie? You ready? Are you excited?
Hell yeah.
Are you nervous?
Kinda.
So base map was fire this morning?
Hell yeah. It literally started right away.
and I didn't have to.
Idles.
Yeah, idle was perfect. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Sweet. Base map's fire. So now we got to do the full throttle horse puppy map. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, I'm excited. God, this thing's beautiful. So I know we've been doing a lot of tuning content lately. If you guys aren't into it, I apologize. We'll take a break from it soon. Just trying to learn as much as I can when I can, and it's been an awesome time. So, oh, look at this. Hey, are we towing our car with like a 4Runner right now?
Yes, sir.
Is this literally a 4Runner?
It's a V6 4Runner. Dude, it made it to Pennsylvania and it made it to New Jersey without hiccups. That's perfect.
We're literally towing a full-size car with a dual-axle trailer.
It's
and
awesome.
Look
Look at the RPMs. They're fine. They're like they told the car.
How are hills?
Okay, hills is hills sucks.
All right, Kenny. KA-T.
KA-T.
T28.
Okay.
550cc injectors. That's about it. Me tuning it. What do you think we're gonna get?
Okay, well, if Derek's not touching it, it'll make good power. So I'm thinking like 250.
250. That's
I
good.
think 250.
That's what I'm aiming for. So it made like 215 last time on its old tune.
Yep.
So I think we could do it.
Yeah. I mean, just throw more boost at it till it happens, right? That's how it works.
Oh boy. We're gonna try and. Oh, I didn't mention that. We're gonna try and stay about 7-8 pounds.
I'm thinking 17, 18 pounds.
Okay, you're crazy. This should be a little bit easier than the E36.
Does it have lower control arms?
Yes. Sick. What's up, Jim?
Coming to see if he'll make as much as me.
It might make just a little bit less.
That's all right. It'll still feel fast in this car.
We're gonna do a baseline pull. Sound good?
Oh, you haven't done anything yet?
No. So this is on the cleaner timing with the fuel, street tuning fuel. Sound good? Bet.
What do you have to say?
Bitchin'. All right, well, let's add some timing. So the fuel map's pretty clean for the most part. I mean, for what it is for now. So we're gonna work on timing since that is all cleaned up. Seems like up top it's pretty conservative. So I'm gonna slowly increase the timing and see how the car behaves to it. And if it likes it, we'll keep going. And if it doesn't, we'll back off. And as simple as that. So let's try it out. I let off early. My bad. Cleaned up the fuel map a little bit. Tried to blend the ignition table better too because that was kind of like partially jumped. Now I added about almost 2 degrees of timing, like 1 3/4 degrees, and we'll see how it behaves. It should like it. It should like it a lot. So let's see what happens. Hopefully it took off a little bit harder.
Yeah. About 235.
Right now the ignition table is actually pretty falling on its face, so it literally jumps from like 30 degrees of timing to 10, like violently. So I'm trying to blend it together and try not to pass the point of ideal torque due to timing. So I hope it liked the timing.
242. Pretty close.
They liked it. Okay. I think we're almost there. We should be almost there.
What's your guess?
They made what, 43 last time? I'm hoping for that 250. I want it.
Horse puppy. No, well, I'd say it definitely made 7,000 horse ducks. Not duck power, horse ducks.
Horse ducks. 7,000 horse ducks.
243.
It didn't really want any more timing. It wasn't really picking up any more power, which means when you get to that point, that means all you're doing is making your engine more prone to knock. So we just pulled like 1 degree or 2 back to keep it safe. I added a little bit more up in the very, very, very top so it doesn't drop off as hard. Hopefully we get a positive response from that. And it should just be good to go. I'm really hoping I can get to this 250 at the peak point. I'm gonna try. We'll find. So it seems like in peak power for this setup, I think that 240 horsepower is about it for that. So I brought it down just a little bit to try and safeten it up a little bit, and we're gonna see how that affects it. And I took a little bit of timing up top to see if it likes it or not, because I don't think it liked the timing before. So let's just do a pull.
Hopefully it's a little bit better.
Perfect, that's good. Because this is the same power as our good run, for the most part, at least torque-wise, but way safer numbers.
Jimmy, I got a quick question.
Yep.
Do you think it will make smoke now?
Make smoke? Oh, yeah. You'll spin them good. Probably gonna be our last run, so I'm gonna add a little bit more timing up top, and then like I said, I'm just gonna leave it there and call it a day. But now I'll pull it back out, we'll be straight. But I think this is gonna be it. I think we reached our peak power. We got the map up pretty clean, pretty straight, and the fuel seems pretty online. So let's see it. Final pull. Let's do it.
Let's not rush this computer.
Come on. Come on.
I feel good about it.
We picked up more power, right? No, red. We're red. Wow,
So-
I let off real early.
Yeah, you did. I don't even know. There's no.
Okay, we're past peak timing. I'm gonna pull the timing out and call it a day. So it seems like 240 horsepower is kind of the number a lot of people get on 7 PSI on a stock turbo. So I'm happy with it. It's safe, it's good. AFRs are clean, drivability is awesome. Starts up cold, idles cold, all that good stuff. We could up the boost. If we left on the same map right now and we turned the boost up to 10 PSI, it'd make 270 horsepower probably, but Benny has like a really nice aftermarket intake manifold, and we'll trade a little bit of the torque for some horsepower and it'll be pretty cool. Yeah. And on top of that, Benny's gonna be down to up the boost. I mean, it is the end of the season, so.
Get like a boost controller and we'll hook that bitch up.
Yeah, so right now it's, I forgot to mention, it's literally on stock wastegate, which means it's at 7 PSI. It's just been holding 7 PSI the whole time, but I mean, it's a KA. They could hold, I've heard stories of people holding like 14 PSI for a while. Right?
No more than 10, that's it.
10 would be cool. 10 would be cool. This car made really good power, but that turbo is way bigger. Right?
Not way bigger. This turbo's got it in it. Let's try it right now.
You're crazy.
30 pounds.
Kenny, get out of here.
30 pounds.
Oh, you just cleared. Oh, you're great. You guys are good. Just feel it out, you know? All right, so he did a
flyby. So good, dude. This feels so fast.
Really?
It's like way faster than before.
No way, really? That's
Yeah,
awesome to
it's
hear.
Like, nice.
That's sick. How does it feel under like?
Okay, that's so different, dude. It feels like so different.
Really?
It's like so much better. Like I feel like it definitely feels more power.
That's awesome. That's awesome
like,
to hear.
Yeah, that's. Oh my god. Yo,
Get it, boy.
I'm so excited right now.
Well, there she goes. She's officially done. What a night. Today was cool. Dyno the 240 didn't make a crazy amount of horsepower, but we made the horsepower that, I mean, most tuners make, which is cool because I'm a novice tuner, so to be able to match that is pretty cool. Map ended up being actually pretty clean. It was cool. Though it only increased about 20 horsepower, Benny says the drivability of it is insane. He says the difference is unbelievable, which is awesome to hear because your peak horsepower number can be similar, but the whole drivability of the map can feel completely different. So that means a lot. It means I did pretty good. Really happy with myself. That was my first full map from idling to pulls on dyno, so that's pretty cool. So but it is really late, so I need to go home. So huge shout out again to Mother's Product for sponsoring this video. Really awesome to reach out to me and do that. So of course you guys know I always suggest their products. Use them around the shop all the time and I love them. So that's about it. So you guys know how it goes. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.